had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.
At Rutland High School, I feel successful.
Your life is a testament to the idea that nothing is impossible. That if somebody says no, you say it's just the beginning.
At Rutland High School, I feel valued.
The most poignant 7 words ever uttered in any speech anywhere. Don't give up. Don't ever give up.
At Rutland High School, I feel safe.
At Rutland High School, I feel educated.
At Rutland High School, I feel motivated to do my work.
Cam, are you ready? How you looking?
Yes. Looking spiffy, you know, class 22. Let's do it.
All right, I'll see you at the stage. Let's go graduate.
All right, see you there.
Bye.
And we will prepare you to graduate. Never forget, it's always a great day to be a hurricane.